We're here at SLE Equipment at Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 12 tandem straight deck utility trailer. This comes with your jack, coupler, and safety chains. Spare tire holder. The breakaway box. There are built-in tie-down points. The floor is made of pressure-treated wood flooring. This does come with black diamond plate fenders, as well as two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles. This does have brakes. This is a straight deck trailer. Has your LED drive lights. Your loading gate that is spring assisted. Once again, this is our 6.4 by 12 tandem straight utility trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.